Tanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may tuwang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo.
Greetings from your beloved relatives and friends.
Happy 16th birthday, Lola. More birthdays to come. I love you. Birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Auntie Alice. Stay in good health, best wishes, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie Alice. Happy 60th birthday. More candles to blow and thank you always. And ingat po palagi.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Alice. Stay pretty as always. Love you, ma.
Happy 60th birthday po, Auntie Alice. More birthdays to come and good health always.
Happy 60th birthday po, Tita Alice. God bless. Happy birthday, Tita Alice.
We love you.
Happy birthday, ate. God bless you always. Happy 60th birthday to Alice. And you have more birthdays to come and good health. Stay safe always.
Happy birthday, Ate Alice.
Happy birthday, Ate Alice.
Hi! Happy birthday, Auntie Alice. Good health and God bless always.
Hi, Auntie Doris and Auntie Alice. Omedetou gozaimasu. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and long life as always. And then, namiss ko ng ulam niyo. God bless us always. Thank you.
At si Alice, happy 60th birthday. Oh, Golden Kila. Wish ko si kayo yung maong lawas sulaman nyo, kanti papasin nyo, arawi kayo, anto ka man yung sakit. Pan, dakal ning birthday yung sabihin si kayo. God bless you always.
A blessed birthday full of laughter, happiness, joy, love, and peace. And may you have good health always. God bless you.
Alice, happy birthday. Welcome to the club, senior citizen.
Alice, happy birthday. Dapat sana good health kang palagi. More birthdays to come. Anatan, senior ka. Dapat ingat-ingat lang sa mga pagkain. Saka sana undo ko'y nibilay. Yan. Tayo tan may sarili pamilya. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health.
Ading, happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the world of senior. Sana naway lagi kang malakas, malusog, at enjoy your day. Naway pagpalain ka ng Panginoon at marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo, ha?
Happy birthday, Alice. Sana marami ka pang darating na birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless.
Hey, kama guys. Magaling kumata, matipag si Jet mo, good health. Happy birthday. Tapos magpadala ka dito ng lechon kawali.
Happy 60th birthday, ate. Kapit umata, malayo ng patay, atintog ka pa ng biyang mo. Yan mo success. Lang, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Alice! Good health and God bless!
Happy 60th birthday, Alice. Wish you long life, good health, and many more birthdays to come.
Ayan, gusto ko lang batiin si ate ng happy birthday to you. How about you, Ryan?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, from Erica naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yan, nag-holiday sila pero aalis na sila ngayon mamayang gabi. So again ate, happy birthday!
Hello, kumusta na kayo dyan? To Ate Alice, happy birthday. 60 ka na rin pala. Wishing you a birthday filled with joy of the Lord, and may His presence guide you and comfort you in all the days ahead. We love you dito sa Baguio, and happy birthday. God bless.
Hello! Hello po. We are from Carino Hill. Hello sis! Kakanta kami ng happy birthday. Okay, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, sister. Yeah. Ano, ikaw mag-greetings.
Hi, Tita! Happy 60th?
Yes.
60th birthday po. Ingat po palagi and more blessings to come po sa inyo at sa inyong lahat po dyan. Ingat-ingat po and God bless.
Happy birthday, anak. Congratulations on hitting the number 60. Siguro ito ang a time for retirement and more sa amazing adventures. Maybe Canada is waiting. Ganun yan. So, cheers! Cheers! A wonderful years and many more birthdays to come. And happy blessed, again, a blessed birthday today. Right?
Happy
So,
birthday.
again, happy birthday and cheers! Cheers! And love from Carino Hill. Okay, bye! Hi. And looking forward sa mga pictures na i-share ninyo. Alright? Okay, bye!
Wait, there's more! Greetings from your best friends.
Birthday greetings from New York to my very dear friend Alice, wishing you a very 60th birthday. Enjoy your special day and God bless.
Hi, Bess. Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Thank you for your love and kindness. Enjoy your special day. Miss you much. Keep safe always. And God bless you more.
Greetings from your beloved family.
Ma, happy 60th birthday. More birthdays to come. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa aming tatlo. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola! I love you so much. We miss you. I love you. Happy birthday, dear. And lahat, I wish you have a good day and a good life.
Happy birthday po, Ma. Sana po happy po kayo today. Enjoy your celebration and wishing you good health and many more birthdays to come po. We love you so much and thank you for everything po.
Happy birthday, ma. Wishing you all the best. Ingat ka dyan. Bye. Happy birthday!
Do the same!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Enjoy! I love you, Lola. Have a good day on your birthday. I wish you have many friends. Bye!
Happy birthday, darling. Sana ingat-ingat ka sa mga pagkain mo na, lalo sa mga bawal ngayon dahil senior ka na. Kailangan medyo ingat-ingat lang, alalay sa mga bawal. Ulit ulit, happy birthday, 60th birthday, darling. Mahal naman kita.
Warmest 60th birthday. Greetings once again. We hope our little surprise brought joy to your special day. Many thanks to everyone who took part in this video. May God's blessings be with us always. From the creator, Bradetsky, thank you once again.
Laging sa'yo, kahit maputi na